Buongiorno. Can you see where am I today?
Meglio Roma che Finlandia, no? Molto freddo.
I'm here to enjoy some Napoli food and enjoy life. I'm also gonna do my first ever what I eat in a day, and I promise that it will be delicious. When I came here 6 years ago, I was traveling first time alone in Italy. I was in Rome first, and then I decided that maybe Napoli. And people said no, don't go alone to Napoli. It's dangerous. Napoli has its reputation, and yeah, but I'm not gonna go into that. Still, it's beautiful to visit. I don't know, this is something I have never seen anywhere else. Here, I didn't know anything about Napoli. I sometimes like to throw myself and just go and was quite a surprise. I was literally close to panic attack. They say that when you arrive and when you leave Napoli you cry, and that literally happened. I was staying in Spanish Quarter, which this area which can be a little bit dangerous, alone, staying in rooftop Airbnb. Blondie from Finland. I have to say that was first time in my life that I was a little bit scared. Some instincts that you don't have, that you have hidden somewhere, come alive in Napoli. You are so tense all the time. And the vibe is just like it's midday, people are leaving here. So everybody has a laundry day and everybody's also making fish. And I'm very allergic to fish. I need to get out of here. Really, this whole water smells like fish. But it's a good area for fish because it's fresh. It comes from the right next from the sea. Beautiful here. Wild. I don't know how to handle this town. I wanted to buy those granitas and fresh fruits, but I didn't have any cash. Cash is king. I keep forgetting that. Ciao! Wow, my favorite thing here is to watch people. So beautiful people and good styles. A lot of men wear suits. They either have suits or then they have this style that they have a lot of tattoos and a lot of religious symbols in jewels and tattoos, and wow. And same with women. Women wearing lots of makeup and jewelry and short skirts, and I love the style here. Sorry people if I'm staring at you. You guys are beautiful here. letting you guys down. My first food here is not pizza or anything really Napolitan. Very traditional Italian lunch. Verdure grigliate. Vegetables and fruits are the best in Italy, and I am a vegetarian, so sono felice and nice that there is no one inside. A little bit calmness because everybody else is outside. It's beautiful weather, everybody's in the terrace, and I'm charging my phone here, so feeling like in a movie, people talking from balcony to balcony here. Oh, I was just saying the lady living there putting laundry, and I said that I'm sorry, like that I'm disturbing, and she just smiled at me. So like warm, welcoming feeling always to come to Napoli. Let's go. Look how much happier I look when I got food. I'm newborn. I need to get cash somewhere. I want those lemonades. Well, we get into the theme. What are you eating today? So I took arancia and limone. Just what I needed. Finding new streets in Naples. Wow, okay, this area I like. Super fancy. And also some decorations for home.
Questo è tutto con la mano, così.
Wow, cosa
Sì, ecco qua, i segni. Guarda.
Mamma mia.
Tutto
Okay,
scolpito.
now I have all access area for where they make everything. This material comes all over the world. From Italy it comes from Genova,
Ovunque, Carrara,
ovunque.
Cave.
Carrara, for example.
Ciao, buongiorno, salve,
Buongiorno.
vi presento, sono la storia del marmo, la cosiddetta storia del marmo. Sto qua nel commercio, il mio bisnonno, mio nonno, mio padre e ora siamo io e i miei fratelli che lavoriamo qua, dal 1865 lavoriamo. Io ho studiato, abbiamo studiato tutti quanti, ma fin da piccolo papà ci ha fatto scendere a lavorare, a 12 anni abbiamo iniziato qua giù, a lavorare, a vedere il lavoro e andare avanti. Lui ci ha insegnato il mestiere del nonno, bisnonno, e lui ha tramandato a noi, che adesso papà non c'è più. Si può studiare arte, ma noi abbiamo studiato anche a Firenze, siamo andati là e abbiamo studiato, però alcuni mestieri, questi mestieri qua, non c'è bisogno di studio, c'è bisogno di tecnica, che le tecniche a volte anche nello studio non lo sai. E sappiamo tramite il nostro bisnonno, mio nonno, tecniche segrete che non diciamo. Allora, Napoli è la città più bella del mondo, poiché che io ho viaggiato tantissimo, ho visto bellissime città, però Napoli è il cuore. Allora puoi vedere in tutto il mondo, ma come è fatto Napoli non lo trovi, dal mare alla collina. Allora, il mio ristorante preferito a Napoli, vi dico la verità, è ci sta la Officina del Mare, che è buono come ristorante e cucina buon primi piatti, sicuro, perché è pure un amico, vi dico la verità, è anche un amico, e poi veramente di qualità, tutto a base di pesce. È un piacere conoscere la signorina.
Se no, se la voglio,
Il tunnel, giusto?
Sì.
È un piacere conoscerla, Napoli ti aspetta e è un piacere farle venire qua con amore e con voglia.
Lui, piccolo.
Io piccolino.
Vedi, Madonna.
La Madonna.
San Severo, chiesa San Severo.
So amazing. As I understood, their grandfather started this business, and now they are 3 brothers and also someone else who is working there, and they are doing work for churches, for museums, private persons, including Madonna, Sting. They have also worked for White House, and I said that when my YouTube will be successful, I will be their client too. So this was my new favorite area, very fancy. Lots of beauty, lots of beauty. Diamonds, marble, shoes, beautiful dresses, warm, kind people. And next I'm gonna add that coffee. Really? I've been the whole day in Napoli and still no coffee, still no pizza. Gran Caffé Gambrinus, very elegant, old. Actually, Conan O'Brien also visited here. He did this Italy tour, and you can find it also from YouTube. Super fun, and he was wondering why the coffee is so small. Drinking many of them and got crazy. It's a fun episode, you can find it in YouTube. I have no idea which cafe I'm gonna take. Help me please. There is Caffè del Nonno, Caffè Gambrinus, Caffè Strapazzato, Caffè Gece, Caffè Nocciola. That I'm not gonna take. Caffè Brasiliano. What? Help me. And this is not even the long list. I've seen the menu, which is like many pages long. I'm gonna take this one. Oh, okay, this was the best experience to see how they made it. Bella. Quanti anni hai lavorato qui?
32.
32
Già
anni.
32 anni.
Wow.
In questo meraviglioso bar con delle meravigliose signore. Un saluto a tutti.
dangerous, it's active. I feel Napoli people are very proud of Vesuvius to have it. A little bit of danger. I just hope for the best. In my vlogs you can also find videos from Amalfi Coast, Capri, Ischia and Procida. All these beautiful places are one little ferry ride away from Napoli. I had tears in my eye a couple of times today. I feel moved when I see beauty, when I see people who have talent and craftsmanship and passion. I don't know how it's possible to have made all these buildings and when you have pizza alone, you get the table in the front of the window and you can watch people. People watching is the best thing in Napoli. Right next to me was a Napolitan. I asked him what is the best pizzeria here. And he said number 1, Sorbillo, 2, da Michele, and number 3, this 50 kilo, or what's the name? I have been to Da Michele twice. It's seen in a trailer movie. Last time I was there, it was the deep pandemic time, not many tourists, and so I got in easily. In Da Michele there's only 2 pizzas. They have marinara and margherita. Here the list is long. Oh my god, the pizza has arrived. So let's try. Then with the red wine. So this has been what I eat in a day in Napoli. I didn't eat that much, but what I ate was fine. Lemon from Amalfi Coast, this coffee, this pizza from Napoli, wine from Campania. I feel happy and grateful, full of love from this city. See you on my next adventure. And Napoli, I'm crazy for this city, so we will meet again. Ciao!